Chapter 8 POL question number 11. And the trick on this is we want to get rid of the fractions. So we don't really got to worry about the -4 because it's not really a fraction. We could write it over 1 if we want, but it's a little bit easier if we just get these two to have common denominators. So there, hopefully we can see if we just take this fraction times 6, they'll both be 6w. So the first fraction is unchanged, and then the second one would be 6 over 6w. All right, and then now just multiply everything here by 6w. And it's a little tricky. These wipe out because these are both divide 6w's. So on that side, we end up with 5 plus 6. But on this side, students often think it'll be -4. But there's no divide 6w here that cancels. This is just over 1. So it's just -4 times 6w. So it's -24w. Right? So the 6w, there's nothing to cancel there. So it actually looks quite a bit different. You don't just have just the numerator. All right, and then 5 plus 6 is 11. And now divide by -24. Sorry, my thing is, I don't know why that's not working, but that should be a W. So divide by -24, and so we have 11 divided by -24 as our answer. I don't think that reduces at all. So that would be our answer for W on number 11. All right, hopefully that helps.